All right, welcome to week 4. This week we're dealing with chapter 3 of the text. There are 3 assignments due. Of course, you've got the forum and you've got the quiz for chapter 3. And then you've got your first short writing assignment, which is an article review of James Farr's The History of Political Science. This week we're looking at modern political theory. How is modern political theory distinct from the ancients? We tend to look at Machiavelli as one of the first genuinely modern thinkers. Why do we think that? You know, it's interesting because I think Martin Luther and John Calvin were also kind of almost contemporaries of Machiavelli, and yet Machiavelli is considered the modern, while those guys are considered the medieval. And it really kind of highlights this tendency, you know, for things to not happen as clean cut as we would often like them to, you know, to appear to be. So there are a lot of interesting, you know, kind of theorists that are addressed. So of course, we've got we've got Machiavelli, we have Hobbes, we have Locke, and with those latter two, we have the emergence of social contract theory. We have a couple of other contract theory, you know, especially I think they at least mentioned Jean-Jacques Rousseau, who was also a social contract theorist. And there's a mention at least of Karl Marx in this. So there's a lot of interesting material to cover. If you have any questions or concerns about the material, of course, the forum is always a good place to address them. So let's have a good week of work.